In this video, I wanted to briefly introduce another of our forthcoming titles, and that is Advances in the Breeding of Dairy Cattle, which is edited by Professor Julius van der Werf, the University of New England in Australia, and Dr. Jenny Price, who's Principal Research Scientist in the Department of Economic Development, Jobs, Transport and Resources of the state of Victoria, also in Australia. Part 1 provides an overview of current developments. Part 2 looks at managing genetic diversity. Part 3 looks at breeding objectives and genetics of new traits. Part 4 looks at genetic selection and evaluation techniques. And Part 5 looks at reproductive technologies and breeding programs. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting two leading experts in this area. First is Professor Hans Lenstra of Utrecht University in the Netherlands and Editor-in-Chief of Animal Genetics. And he's been kind enough to say, Professor van der Werf and Dr. Price are leading experts and have assembled an excellent team for a book describing the current state of the art. This volume will contribute to the dissemination of advanced breeding knowledge to breeders, scientists and other stakeholders in the dairy industry. There is no doubt that it will also stimulate new developments in this exciting area of research. And the second expert is Dr. George Wiggins, formerly of the USDA. And he said the editors, who are highly respected in this field of livestock genetics, have assembled an impressive list of international authors and topics on genetics applied to dairy cattle production. This compendium should provide the interested reader with a solid foundation of scientific research related to dairy cattle breeding. Well, we hope you'll be moved to buy this impressive book too.